Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Calm app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Calm and you can click here, not here. You will go to this window of Calm and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store and then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget